From thetraderguy.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming session for the 31st of August. And this is the Swiss yen in front of you. I have the 50 and the 100-day moving averages. I'll go ahead and put 200 as well, just for good measure. And you can see that that's just below. And we are threatening an absolute trend break. And in the meantime, I think there's a lot of noise, probably down to about 113. So it's going to be very interesting over the next couple of days. The Swiss franc has been absolutely pummeled as the Swiss National Bank continues to look very likely to lag other central banks as far as tightening. The Swiss franc is historically strong, to say the least, so the SNB is in no hurry to try to strengthen the franc under any circumstances. Here you have a nice bottoming pattern, but we have failed as the yen has seen strength around the world. When I look at the 4-hour chart, I find this to be a very interesting candle, and that's my trigger. If we can break down below 114, I'm comfortable shorting this because I see the upside as being so high, with a stop loss just above 115. And if we turn around here, then I'm a buyer. So think of this as paying for information. Somewhere above 115, maybe 115.10, 115.15. If we find ourselves turning around through that level, I'm a buyer. I completely flip the position and then just kind of buy and hold. But at this point, I think if we break down below 114, then the question is, where can we go from there? Well, I think the first target has to be somewhere around 112.5, which is halfway in this major area. The ultimate target for me is 110, that gap down there. It would make a lot of sense. And for that matter, you could probably still make an argument for some type of trend line underneath it here, holding or something close to it. So we'll see. But right now, it looks as if the Swiss franc continues to suffer. The Japanese yen continues to strengthen. And I am a seller of this market below 114, a buyer above 115.15 or so, even if I get stopped out, because that would be a continuation of the uptrend. Typically, I don't like these trades because there's a lot of noise, but with what I'm seeing in the Swiss franc and other markets, as well as the Japanese yen and other markets, shorting this actually makes quite a bit of sense. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to make sure that you get alerts every time we put a new one out.